the problem with this hearing is that they are trying to get it from the president himself, no? Yung mga operational activities and all those things na gusto nila manggaling sa presidente. And kung tutingnan nga natin, the good thing about President Duterte here is he is not even invoking his right to self-incrimination. In fact, siya na nga mismo ang nagsasabi, no, that I am to be held accountable for everything that were committed during the drug war. So, unlike other other resource persons na hindi mo masasalita maliban sa I invoke my right to self-incrimination, so on and so forth. But the president has been very steadfast about his position from the very beginning. File a case. No, yun lang naman yun eh. So this all of these investigations to me is just more of a grandstanding, no? Para dito sa mga members ng ating mababang kapulungan na mahilig sa publicity, no?